Next is the People's Choice Award, given to the candidate who received the most support from the audience through online voting and engagement.
People's Choice Award, the presenters are Ma'am Esmeralda Panes and Treasurer Dailin Nabor. People's Choice Award will receive a bouquet and sash.
And the award for People's Choice Award goes to candidate number 2. Well done, candidate number 2, and thank you to everyone who showed their support.
Candidate number 2 will receive a sash and a bouquet.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is time for one of the highlights of our evening, the awarding of the Best in Talent. This award recognizes exceptional skills and creativity displayed by our contestants during the talent competition. Each performance has the testament to their hard work, passion, and dedication. From singing and dancing to other captivating acts, our contestants have truly showcased their diverse talent, leaving us all in awe. After careful deliberation, our judge have come to a decision.
Best in Talent, the presenters are Kenneth Sales Salaver, Mr. Christian Padua, and Baba Ahmad. The winner will receive a sash, bouquet, and a cash prize.
Our Best in Talent goes to candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, Miss Melanie.
Number 4.
Sana all.
This award recognizes the candidate who has graced us with the most stunning and culturally significant Sagala attire, embodying both tradition and elegance.
Best in Sagala attire, the presenters are Ma'am Cristina Kaaya, Niel Vitor, and the winner will receive a sash, bouquet, and a cash prize.
Who's your bet again for Best in Sagala attire? Alam ko, napakagaganda. Pinaghandaan ng mga handlers ng mga to, mga designers nila. Halos yung isa nga dyan, di na makatulog.
Kaya nga, galing pang Jubil.
Galing pang Jubil yun.
Galing pang Jubil isa.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, Christian Padua, Globe Ataide, Dr. Sahir Pervais, Rica Jainario, Sheila Marie De Feo, Madame Box, Ruby Wong, Marilu Mendoza, Neil Vitor, Kenneth Sales Salaver, G. Macpal, SMPII, Homie Sondial, Eugene Vincent, Charlie Lacson, and Miss Diwata Parcon.
And special award, and special thanks to our caterer for tonight, Mr. Jeffrey Jeff Javier.
Yes, andun na yung sa akin, nakatabi ng
Jepang's Catering. And also another special announcement to our, thanks to Mark and Save. Yeah. Mark and Save
Number
Hyperman.
4 pa rin ang mananalo ng Sagala.
Okay.
Okay, before we announce the best in Sagala time, may we call on Mr. Dave Anthony Navarro for the special award, surprise award, who will choose the Miss Mark and Save.
Who will see a cash prize?
Yes, hello, good morning to all of you. By the way, this is sponsored by Mark and Save. So, meron yata Mark and Save dito sa Alhasa, tama? Meron. Alright, so mamaya, kung gising pa kayo, mag-aan tayo ng raffle. Is it okay? Sa mga audience na nandito, mag-aan tayo ng raffle. So for me, the Miss Mark and Save winner would be candidate number...
Number 2! Number 2!
Alright, Mark and Save, Miss Mark and Save would be candidate number, the last one.
Candidate number 6.
Number 6.
The winner will receive a gift certificate from Mark and Save.
Wow! Di ba? Basta take a picture, Mr. Dave Anthony Navarro.
Thank you so much, Mark, from Mark and Save.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sponsor.
Okay. And now, for the award, the Best in Sagala attire. This award recognizes the candidate who was graced us with the most stunning and cultural significant Sagala attire, embodying both tradition and elegance.
Best in Sagala attire, the presenters are Christian Padua, Dr. Saher Bernales, and Neil Vitor. The winner will receive a sash, bouquet, and a cash prize.
And the award for Best in Sagala attire goes to candidate number 4.
Palakpakan naman ulit dyan para sa ating Best in Sagala attire.
Ganda talaga dito. Sobra.
Finally, we would like to honor the creative minds behind the breathtaking outfits we've seen tonight. The Best in Sagala Designer Award goes to the designer who has brought the most captivating Sagala attire to life.
Best in Sagala designer, the presenters are Ma'am Jennifer Cruz, Sir Crisanto Cordero, and Ryan Arroyo. The winner will receive a trophy and a cash prize.
Oo. Yan ang mag-uwi. Laban sila ni Andrea.
And the award for Best in Sagala Designer goes to candidate number 3, the designer James Lester Wally Trudon.
Bongga. Congrats.
Palakpakan ulit!
Mr. Wally Trudon, congratulations to our candidate number 3, the best designer, Sagala designer. Thank you so much, candidate number 3, and his, and her Sagala designer. Okay, thank you candidates. You may proceed to the backstage to prepare for the long gap competition. Yan. O di ba, palakpakan muli natin ang ating mga candidates. Napakagaganda talaga at super. Candidates muna, candidates muna. Mamaya na yung...
Masakit na ba ang mga paa?
Sige na.